outside all day, baby.
Wait, that's illegal?
On YouTube, we are back with another one. We are in Atlanta right now for SRT Reeks, bro. We just pulled up, bro. Look what's going on, man. Police on, bro. They on, bro. God. We just got here over here arresting people, bro. What the? This is sick. But yeah, man, we outside with the shenanigans, bro. This is what I'm trying to say, bro. Thing about Georgia, bro, they on, bro. Look at these.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
Bro, on.
Hey.
On.
Stop right there. Hey.
Now, bro. They out here tripping.
Stop.
What? What are you?
I'm giving you a lawful order to stop.
For what?
Let me see your ID.
I don't have my ID on me.
Huh?
I don't have my ID on me, sir.
Come on back down here then.
Am I detained for what? Detained for what?
Come on back down
Detained
here.
for what,
if
officer?
If you want to sit here and cuss and all that stuff.
I'm saying
that.
What am I being detained for legally? That's what I'm saying. Officer.
Disorderly conduct. Let's walk down here.
Yes.
You want to start running your mouth and all that stuff right there. Start calling people names and everything like that. That's fine. We can go through this.
Okay, officer.
This is you want to start back over and just walk on down the road and mind your business.
I'm on business, man. Appreciate you.
Bye.
But you saw what happened, bro. As soon as I walked down the street, bro, police talking about disorderly conduct. Hello? Bro. Welcome to Atlanta. GSP don't play, bro. GSP don't play.
They're taking
Oh, God, bro. Scale? No. They found a scale in Bro car, bro. Fuck.
Like they know they.
Bro, no, they on. They try to get my ID too. They on, bro. They on. God. Bro, they going to jail. They going to jail. Fuck, bro.
They all looking at
They don't. Look back. I ain't trying to record this. Bro, that nigga try to ask for my ID. Like I don't know my rights. Oh God. He said.
Hey, look at him. All y'all came to see some entertainment.
Yeah.
At the pit. You drove all this down way far. Got a damn road.
Chicago, right here. My girl came from Chicago, y'all.
You tell him, all tell him.
Chicago for this thing, y'all. Chicago.
Big underground shit. Got me.
We came from Chicago out in this.
Tight shit.
Hey, we had to swing. We had shit though, you know what I'm saying? Legal pit, the biggest, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully we can get everything started back up because right now the cops bullshit.
I don't know how the police got that video of that young lady and that car getting hit a while ago. So they said, ain't shit happening today. But we definitely shutting you down today because some black Corvette they showed me on camera hit something right there by the tent while when a girl was standing in front of the car.
Corvette tried to divert us on law.
They shut it down right there. I don't know how they got that tape, but the police got it up the road. I look at y'all like family.
Hit the GSP.
God me. My mama.
Oh, I'll start betting some shit.
GSP, gang.
Hey, to see that, bro.
Hold on, check this out.
Private property, bro.
Oh God.
I'm a rat. I ain't no snitch.
Bro, they got the goddamn taxis out here, boy. They finna go stupid. But ain't no way a taxi finna slide and shit. Shut the fuck.
Brother, Brother,
I've been down before. Look, I've been down before. I told him better than this.
Craig, get up!
Get up, Craig. Come on, Craig. Come on, Craig.
Like, I want to be mad at you, bro, but as a host, bro, there's no way you can fuck that shit up. There's no way you don't know if it's legal or not, bro. Like, I don't know, bro. That's tough. That's tough. Already? No! You just started that shit. Just started, guys. God damn! That is pissing, boy! God damn! That motherfucking pissing gang, that's tough. When did you hit him? Oh, God. shit, nigga! Y'all see what's going on, bro. Fast life niggas got lit and shit. Got tossed the keys to SRT land. He got bending that motherfucker, bro. I'm trying to tell y'all, we active, bro. We are outside, baby. We are outside.
We at SRT Reek event, you know what I'm saying? Outside showing love. I had to pop out, show love for boy shit. Hey, no cap, niggas outside.
Hey, Atlanta PD don't play, bro. Fuck them niggas, man. We outside all day, baby. Wait, that's illegal?
Turn for jail,
yeah. And you walking down the street, cussing people out and stuff like that, yeah.
What the hell he took you to jail for? For disorderly conduct. Feel me? No, for cussing out. I call them pigs and some other shit. I call them.
Come on, you know you get free.
I'm done. I ain't from here. I ain't going to jail. I'm done. I'm done on my mom.
Alright, they checking for ID. If you got anything, tuck it.
Damn, that was that for real.
Yeah.
Appreciate you, man.
Oh,
a real
Fox's
nigga.
Playhouse on YouTube. Go subscribe to my channel.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, y'all, they was not playing, bruh. SRT Reek, bruh, you brought the city out, bruh, but you brought the feds out, bruh. This was not a legal event, my boy. This is not it, my boy. This is not it. I heard boost. Like, they will lock you up knowing that they're not holding court, bruh. They don't care. They want you to be inconvenienced. They want you to pay that bond, and that's all they care about. On me. That's all they care about. You feel me? You need to make sure you're on your P's and your goddamn Q's when you are out here in the Atlanta area. But if you in Georgia, bruh, GSP, y'all know how they do. Hey, how you felt about the show, bro? You like that car shit?
Yeah.
It was nice. What you like about it?
They was sliding.
Uh-huh.
And I got in 2 cars, they were sliding.
You was in the car too? When they slid? Okay, my boy lit up. My boy lit. All right, bro. You have a good day, all right?
All right.
Yes, sir.